Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Binance Coin BNB and I will tell you my next price target of BNB. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel, links are in this video's description, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now for regular updated videos. And if you want to join Binance Exchange, KuCoin Exchange, Bybit and Hotbit Exchange, links are in this video's description. Just go to in this video's description or comment section. Here you can get the link of Binance Exchange. This is Binance Exchange link. This is KuCoin Exchange link. Click on these links and create your account. It will support me and my channel. Let's dive into the content. Binance Coin is currently at $419. In my previous video, I was told you that Binance Coin have to hit these targets, and I was set these targets, $391, and second target was $425. And how beautifully Binance Coin BNB hit my targets. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Now, after hitting this resistance area, which is at $445 to $430, BNB is moving towards downside. Price is moving towards downside. Let me please remove this and let me please clear this chart. Here you can see BNB is creating a double top. Here you can see it is first top and it is second top. Maybe it will create M pattern, or maybe it will create double top, and after that price can go down to $391. Maybe it can happen. Let me please remove this. We have to focus this area, which is $408. Let me please, here you can see this is the area. $417 is the area BNB have to hold, and second area, this is for day traders only, 417. This is the area. If BNB break these two areas, $419, $417, maybe it can go down to hit this $391. And if if BNB move towards upside and break this again and hit again $432, which it previously hit, let me please, this is the area where it hit. In that case, you can clearly see that this is creating a bull flag pattern. Let me please show you. Sorry for that. Please thumbs up the like button. If you are new, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now for more content like this. I will try my best to do daily technical analysis of Binance Coin, WazirX Coin, and Chainlink Coin, Bitcoin. The target of the Binance Coin is 460, you can say. This is the target of a bull flag. It is like a bull flag. BNB can hit this target, $460, or maybe $478, or maybe $480. This is strong area, strong resistance area. But we have to look at this area, $409. If BNB break this $409 towards downside, in that case, maybe it can hit $390 and maybe $385. Otherwise, it is ready to go up and hit $459. Let me please show you EMA. How beautifully Binance Coin break EMA ribbon towards upside, and this is turning as a support zone. And let me please show you the volume. There is a very decent volume of Binance Coin. This is the indication that BNB will move very fastly and will go high, and price will go to hit my targets very soon. Let me please show you the VPVR. There is very good volume at $328. there is very good volume orders at 348, 342 and $352, and now there are strong orders at $410, $419. Once it break 433, 430, in that case there are very less, there are no PVR towers. That means price of the BNB can move very speedy way towards upside. This is my technical analysis. If you like this, then please thumbs up the like button right now. Let me please show you the RSI. Currently RSI is at 60, 59.60. If it move down and if it hit below 50, in that case price of the BNB can hit $385. And if it move towards upside and hit again 60 and 70 range, in that case it will hit my targets, next price targets. You have to focus this area. I told you $409. If BNB hold this area, in that case definitely it will hit my targets. My targets $460, $480. These are the targets. If BNB break this area, $409 and $410, in that case it can go down to again $385 and maybe $400, maybe $385. And friends, please keep supporting me. If you want to join Binance Exchange and some other important exchanges, then please go to in this video's description and in this video's comment section, where you can get the link of Binance Exchange, KuCoin Exchange and some other important exchanges links. Create your new accounts with my affiliate links. It will help my channel and me too. Thanks for the watching, and always I will try my best for regular updated video of Binance Coin, WazirX Coin, Binance, BTC Coin and some other important coins. Thanks for the watching. Keep supporting me. Take care.